Yeah, that's cool.
Ready?
Alright, hold on. Well, I can't see. Hold on. I'm going to have to climb up to get that. Hold the phone.
Yep.
See if I can. So it should be my back.
Huh?
Get my back this way. Okay, I can't figure out how to do this.
No, don't worry about it. We'll let it go. Some other time. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Heather.
I have to stop and catch my breath.
Okay, you can do that. Maybe, can you catch your breath in here? Or because you'll come this way. It's wider.
Yeah,
Are you okay?
I'm okay. All right. I just need to catch my breath because otherwise if I get in between and I can't expand my lungs and I'm stuck, I'm in trouble.
Yeah.
That's how a snake kills its prey. Every time they breathe in, it tightens.
Oh, yeah. I mean, every time they breathe out.
When
They breathe out.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna take a break. I don't know how bad it is beyond here. Is it tight out there?
No, it opens up and there's somebody coming in with a dog, so I think we're in good shape.
Okay.
And it's a big dog, no less.
Another tight spot.
So what are they waiting for us?
I guess.
Okay.
All right.
She's only 5 months. Wow. Beautiful. We're happy to see you, Christopher.
Yes, well, the part of me that didn't rub off.
Well, you must have waited there. All right, come over. You might have been skin weight.
You left some DNA traces.
Here, you can scoot in this spot right over here. Yeah, because this is nice and wide. Yeah. Thank you. Come here, sweetie. Thanks. And so I guess the rest is relatively easy if you have your dog.
Yeah, okay. Well, you know, she backs out of places, so I figure if she doesn't want to go in, she won't go in.
You planning on going all the way out?
I don't think so.
I don't
How
think
far
you
is
can
it?
all the way at the beginning. I don't think you're gonna be able to make it.
Yeah.
No, there's some
Okay.
climbing up some pretty big things.
Like about a 10-foot drop.
Well, we'll go in and go out.
Yeah.
She would
Well,
take
once you
down.
get to that, you're gonna see it. Once you get to that,
Pretty obvious
yeah, you say,
drop.
okay, you're almost out, so you didn't miss much.
Can I give her a treat?
Dog treat?
Yeah.
Sure.
What's her name?
Molly.
Molly.
And she'll sit if you put your hand out, a fist over her head, like, and say sit.
Molly. Sit. Okay. You don't. She's like, I don't know you.
Too many people.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
I'll just give you a treat. There you go.
Okay. Yeah, she saves those
I'm
treats for us
asking too
when we behave.
You know Best Friends? The animal place?
Yeah.
She just came from there.
Oh.
Yeah, she
okay.
volunteered there.
Yeah.
Mom, can
Yes.
I go back?
You can hang out right here.
They got stuck in there.
It's fine.
Well, they didn't get
And I hope you're next.
You won't get stuck. I didn't get stuck.
Howdy.
It's fun, actually.
All right. So, who wants to go first? It looks like me.
That thing was awesome.
Yes, it was awesome. And I'm so happy I'm out. I'm not out yet.
Uh-oh.
Nickels are almost out. And
Mm-hmm. Yes. Me too.
Is the shirt still intact?
I don't know. I'll let you look at it. Okay.
Dirty stuff. Yep.
Patagonia.
Yeah.
So, all right, I'm gonna turn this off and put it away.
Can't wait to see that video.
43.